Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. All right, so in this video today, I'm going to be creating two patriotic DIYs with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Come on with me, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. I will be linking them down below in the description box, and I would love for you to head on over to those channels and support me there. Thank you, guys. All right, so I'm starting out here with this chick. Now, I can't believe how thick it is. It is a wonderful decor piece. It's great for trays. It's great for area decor. And we are going to be decoupaging that cloth that I did purchase from Walmart to this bird. And it's just so cute. This chick is adorable. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called 5 for $5, and this is being hosted by Farm Charm Chick. Now she does have a guest host, and it's lavender and lace. Now this is a wonderful collaboration, guys. There will be a playlist. I'm going to go ahead and link that below, and join the collaboration if you can, guys. It's so much fun. So as you can see, what I did is I traced out the chick on that fabric, and then we're going to go ahead and cut that out. But I did decide to paint the side that I didn't decoupage in yellow, and then you're going to see me also trim the sides with some red. So I kind of like that contrast because the other side is not going to be decoupaged, just the front side. Now remember, when you're decoupaging, and what that simply means is just one layer of whatever you're applying the cloth to, one layer of the Mod Podge, and you can choose any one you like, and then you're going to place the cloth on top of it and press that down. Okay, and then you want to do another layer of Mod Podge to seal everything in. So that's what that is. And as you can see here, I'm trimming out the little chick in the red, and that's just really the side, which is about a ½ inch to an inch, or maybe 3/4 of an inch thick. It's pretty thick, guys. So you see, once you cut out the fabric, it just seems so easy. You can press it down. Some people lay some parchment paper and then use a hot iron to get rid of the wrinkles. I kind of like all of that stuff, just gives character to the project that you have, but it does help it look more, how do you call it, more beautiful. It doesn't have all the wrinkles in it. So here we are sealing that in, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so here we have the chick. It's all done, guys. We just have to let this sit and dry. And so we're going to move that over to the side and then go ahead and move on to the next project. Now, this vase was definitely an older piece that the Dollar Tree was carrying, well, when I was still living in Pennsylvania, so that was a couple of years ago. I have 2 bins of items that I use just for DIYing, and I wasn't able to get to the glass too much because of my workload, but I'm still liking the shape to this, so we're going to go ahead and decoupage some of that cloth onto that and then embellish. This is going to look absolutely amazing. So while it was wet, I just decided to go ahead and put the ribbon on there. I was going to be using some hot glue. All of it can just dry together, guys. Now, what I also like to use is some table scatter. And in the Dollar Tree that I was in did not have the little stars. I like the stars. But I do have this red and white bag, and I'm not sure how long I've had this. I got it from my stash. And look at this. That vase is looking absolutely amazing. You put some of your favorite florals in there, and we are doing good. Now we have to leave this alone, let everything dry so that you can see what it looks like. I can't wait for you to see it. Now, isn't this absolutely amazing? This is what it looks like once it's dry, and it looks beautiful, guys. I'm telling you, these were great DIYs. I just grabbed some greenery, and we're gonna head on over to the reveal. Okay, so here we are in my entryway, and look how beautiful this looks. I'm probably going to rearrange this a little. I just want you to see what it looks like. And then I have around a hanger that was done earlier for another collaboration, but here we are. It looks amazing. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.